As a project management expert, I've seen countless tools and methodologies emerge, each promising to streamline workflows and enhance efficiency. Among the myriad of digital solutions, Nifty has carved out a niche for itself as an all-in-one project management and collaboration platform. For anyone looking to understand how Nifty helps teams get work done, it's essential to delve into the process of Nifty, which really means understanding its core functionalities and how they enable a structured approach to project execution. The process of Nifty isn't a rigid, prescriptive methodology like Agile or Waterfall. Instead, it refers to the integrated workflow that Nifty facilitates by centralizing various project management functionalities within a single, intuitive platform. It's about providing the digital scaffolding for a more organized, transparent, and collaborative project lifecycle, from idea generation to final delivery. Let's break down the typical process flow you'd experience when using Nifty to manage your projects. 1. Project initiation and setup. Defining the blueprint. The journey in Nifty begins with project initiation, where the groundwork is laid for success. Creating a project. The first step is to create a new project. This is where you give your project a name, assign a project manager, and define its overarching goals. Nifty allows you to categorize projects for better organization. Defining milestones. Crucially, Nifty emphasizes milestones. These are not just arbitrary dates. They represent significant project deliverables or phases. Each milestone has a clear target date and can have tasks associated with it. This top-down approach helps in defining the project's critical path and key achievements from the outset. Adding team members and roles. You invite relevant team members to the project and assign them roles, e.g., administrator, member, client. Nifty's permission system ensures everyone has the appropriate level of access. Setting up the overview. The project overview section acts as your project charter. Here, you can define the project brief, add important documents, set project due dates, and even link to external resources. This ensures everyone joining the project has immediate access to critical context. 2. Task management and work execution. The daily grind made efficient. Once the project is defined, Nifty moves into the operational phase, providing robust tools for task management. Task creation and assignment. Tasks are the building blocks of any project. Nifty allows for easy creation of tasks and subtasks within each milestone. You can assign tasks to individuals, set due dates, add descriptions, attach files, and link related documents. Flexible task views. Nifty doesn't force you into one view. It offers various ways to visualize your tasks to suit different preferences and project types. Kanban boards. Ideal for agile workflows, visualizing tasks moving through stages, e.g., to do, in progress, review, complete. List view. A straightforward list format for quick scanning and bulk updates. Timeline Gantt chart for visualizing project schedules, dependencies, and critical paths. This is invaluable for understanding how tasks relate to each other over time. Calendar view. Foreseeing tasks and milestones based on their due dates. Prioritization and status updates. Tasks can be prioritized, and their status can be easily updated. This real-time feedback ensures that project managers have an accurate pulse on what's being worked on and where potential bottlenecks might arise. 3. Collaboration and communication. Keeping everyone on the same page. Effective communication is the backbone of successful projects. Nifty centralizes this, minimizing scattered conversations. Discussions. Project chat. Each project has a dedicated discussion area where team members can chat, share ideas, ask questions, and make decisions without cluttering email inboxes. Docs and files. Nifty provides a centralized repository for all project documents and files. You can create new documents directly within Nifty, similar to Google Docs, upload existing files, and manage versions. This ensures that everyone is always working with the latest versions and vital information is easily accessible. Proofing and feedback. For creative teams, Nifty's proofing feature is a game changer. It allows stakeholders to comment directly on images, PDFs, and videos, centralizing feedback and approval processes. Forms. You can create custom forms within Nifty to standardize incoming requests or gather specific information, streamlining initial handoffs or data collection. 4. Time tracking and reporting, measuring performance and profitability. Understanding how time is spent and how projects are performing financially is critical. Nifty streamlines this process. Integrated time tracking. Team members can log their time directly against specific tasks within Nifty. This integrated approach ensures accurate timekeeping and eliminates the need for external time tracking tools. Workload management. Nifty provides tools to visualize team member workloads, helping project managers prevent burnout and ensure fair distribution of tasks. Project reporting. Nifty offers various reports and dashboards to give project managers and stakeholders insights into project progress against milestones and deadlines, team performance and individual contributions, time spent on tasks and projects, budget versus actuals. If using financial integrations, this data is essential for identifying areas for improvement and making data-driven decisions. 5. Client management and client-facing features, transparency with stakeholders. For agencies and professional service firms, Nifty extends its capabilities to client interaction, client access and portals. You can invite clients to specific projects with controlled permissions, allowing them to view progress, communicate with the team, review deliverables, and access shared documents without seeing internal discussions. This fosters transparency and builds trust. Public roadmaps. Nifty allows you to create public roadmaps, which can be shared externally. This is fantastic for communicating product development timelines or project phases to clients or external stakeholders without granting full project access. The Nifty process in a nutshell. The process of Nifty is about creating a unified flow that addresses the multifaceted needs of project management. It's a journey from defining what needs to be done, milestones, tasks, assigning who does what, team members, roles, executing the work, task management, time tracking, collaborating and communicating seamlessly, discussions, docs, proofing, tracking progress and performance, reports, dashboards, engaging external stakeholders, client portals, public roadmaps. By integrating these disparate functions into one platform, Nifty aims to reduce context switching, improve communication efficiency, and provide a clear, real-time overview of every project. It's designed to bring clarity to complex projects, making it easier for teams to stay aligned, meet deadlines, and deliver successful outcomes. For any individual or team looking to establish a more streamlined and transparent project management process, exploring Nifty's capabilities is a worthwhile endeavor.